popping YouTube? I wanted this video to be something about Hungary, but things are gone slightly different. I've got some delays. I have some things to do for my college assignments. But I was preparing my thesis, and I had to resort to something different from my computer because I hate reading on the computer, and my e-reader is broken. I can only adjust this half of the screen. The bottom half is, I think that it was bended in the backpack. I brought this thing with me everywhere in my backpack, so it is not a great surprise that it break. But the most funny thing about my setup is that I decided to use my family's iPad because it is somewhat e-reader without a ink display. I usually prefer paper, but since the documents that I have to study are about 800 pages each, and they are 3 at best, I decided to use this iPad. And I want to underline, to write things, because I need to write and underline. So I don't want to buy an Apple pencil because it's expensive and it's bloat. And the software in this thing is bloat. So the thing I did is that I built this DIY Apple pencil so that if I want to underline, I can underline, and I can also somewhat write with it. It's not the best thing in the world, but it does a somewhat decent job, and yeah, it is funny.